Oh yeah, it's a grip tape unboxing. Alright, so we got some, oh, this is really loud. Whatever, we'll figure it out. We got some dark matter, high performance grip tape. This is the stuff that Rocket has been working on recently. So here's the back. I don't know if you can read it, but it's waterproof. The big thing is that it's got a fabric backing, which makes it apparently more durable. The actual grains on the top of it are super nice as well. They feel super sharp, and like rubbing my hand against it, it doesn't feel like it's gonna, like, I don't know, rub off, which is nice. Comes with, or it should come with 3 square sheets and then a little laser cut guy with some stickers, which I'm excited about. So it's just a little neat dark matter sticker there. I can just peel it open like this. Nice. I like that it comes in, I don't know, this paper rather than just a loose roll. Boom. And then it looks like there's this bottom guy, which is the laser cut one. And then what I'm most excited about, of course, the stickers. So it looks like it comes with 3 of the small ones that they use to seal the package, and then this big guy. So please don't have COVID. Cool. I'll put that over there. 1, 2, 3. And then this guy, which seems super cool. I'm not sure if that hair is from the package or from my floor. Could be both. It feels like grip tape. Doesn't smell like the grip tape I'm used to, but that's probably because it's from overseas or something. Looks like there's some words under the adhesive paper on the back there, but I don't know how to read, so just ignore that. The back looks pretty nice. I don't know how well it's gonna like bend to concave, how well it's gonna hold on, but hopefully better than whatever Vicious has been using recently. So sorry to keep shit talking Vicious, but I've had 2 sets wear out on me. One was in a day when it was super hot, and then the other one was at Maryhill. So that's fine. There is a little bit of the grain coming off of my fingers, probably from where they cut it on the edges, but nothing crazy, just normal grip tape stuff. So yeah, that's the dark matter grip unboxing, and shout out to Motion Board Shop for having this stuff in the US. Shit. For anyone curious about the King of Cleveland edit / Maryhill edit, when that's coming out, not soon. I gotta plan the death race and get all my other shit together, so it's gonna be a hot minute.